I'm excited to show you guys how to make Cinnamon Toast Crunch French toast. For this recipe, you'll need nutmeg, cinnamon, vanilla, sugar, eggs, Texas toast, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, and milk. Duh. First step, crack your eggs. Then add 2 cups of milk. Vanilla is very strong, so only add a few drops. Sprinkle in some cinnamon. Add some nutmeg. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And now you whisk. Preheat your pan on medium-low. You can use Texas toast or brioche, but I found this local bakery that combines them both. I crushed my Cinnamon Toast Crunch into little pieces. Now for the fun part. After a few minutes, flip it. When it looks like this, it's time to plate it. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.